shit like that. We gotta go to the dealership and get that done. But, some of my thoughts going into 2026. This is a year of focus. This is a year of breakthrough. I gotta make it. It's just like there's no ifs and buts about it. So I gotta be an example. I gotta be a role model to my little brother. You know, that's probably one of the most important things to me this year, and that's why it's very important for me to stay on my grind, stay consistent. The more consistent we stay, the more progress we get. I'm not too much worried about the views. I'm just worried about staying consistent and staying on my ideas that come to my head and just getting it done, getting out the way. We'll think about the views and all that shit later. So, you know, at first when I started YouTube, I was kind of shy and shit, but now I'm getting comfortable with it the more I record and shit. So we just gonna get through this shit, learn more as we go, and continue to progress. That's what it's all about, progressing and growth. You know, so nobody gonna believe you when you at the bottom until you get it done. Then that's when everybody gonna jump on the train. For the people that are supporting me right now while I'm growing and I'm learning, I appreciate you. You will never be forgetting. I definitely see all the support. I see everybody that likes my shit all the time. Everybody that show love all the time. I see it. And I see all the people that don't show love, that don't like my shit. And it's cool. Just know when it's up there, stay the fuck where you at. Stay the fuck where you at. I'll meet you guys at the muffler shop. Cut these off. Cut these off. Make it way louder. Okay. Sports. Yeah, we riding sports all the way to the crib. What is charger behind me? You guys see that charger behind me? Yeah, I'm ducking his ass. Also finna get me a camera soon. I had a camera before, but I fucking lost it. And that shit pissed me off because it was one of, man, most expensive cameras. That shit was like $600. Lost that shit, but it's cool. We gonna get it back. But yeah, man, this shit sounds crazy. You guys gotta hear this shit. Oh my God, I should have been straight piped my car. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. But I low-key wanted to just feel how I was with just the mids for right now. And, yeah, man, it's worth it, bro. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100 That shit sounds crazy. Damn, this light long as fuck. I don't know if this is an undercover behind me or I don't know who this is. It's a Charger though. And he got his front plates. I'm finna get away from his ass. Fuck you think this is? Monster. This bitch sound crazy. Hold on, my heater seats is too fucking hot. Holy fuck, that sound crazy. I'm trying to keep the camera good for you guys. This shit sounds crazy. I hope this Charger think you keep following me, like nigga, get your ass on. Dip on his ass. Better not be an undercover too. The only thing I don't like is the drone got louder, but fuck it. This shit was worth every fucking penny. No cap. I'm low-key hungry. I want to get some eats, but I'm broke as fuck because I just spent all my money on a straight pipe. So you know what? We're chilling. We just chilling. Pops better too. Come on, man. Yeah. See that old man? You hear me? You hear this motherfucker? You hear this motherfucker? And I need new tires. They said my tires is bald. That's what I get for burning out and shit. So we gonna go get new tires soon. Video will be coming for that separate. I'm finna go. I ain't finna wait. This shit sounds crazy. This shit sounds crazy. I'm also gonna do a couple flybys for you guys after the POV, so you guys can really see. it's a Scat too right here. Yeah, what's up, twin? What's up, twin? He don't want no smoke. Alright, I'm gonna get a couple flybys for you guys and we'll be right back. Oh, Popo. Yup, that's my cue.
Go where?
Hold on. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
To go where?
To hear it. Are you sure you're ready? Don't be scared.
Alright, fine.
You ready?
Yeah.
How you like it?
I like it.
You like it? Yeah.
It's way louder now.
Way louder now?